Have you ever searched for a digital tool that makes understanding the balance of equations genuinely tangible and less intimidating for children? Hands-on Equations 1 provides a fantastic answer, making abstract algebraic concepts visually explicit. The app features a digital balance where users place and remove pawns and cubes to maintain equality, directly demonstrating the principles of solving equations. Its straightforward design and immediate feedback create an encouraging and focused atmosphere, keeping children engaged with the underlying logic of algebra. Occasionally, the sequential lesson structure might feel restrictive for advanced learners wishing to skip ahead, yet its guided progression is commendably strong for building foundational understanding. Overall, Hands-on Equations 1 shines as a superb resource for parents and educators seeking to reinforce essential algebraic thinking through interactive, concrete visualization. Remember that individual learning paces vary. It is recommended to try Hands-on Equations 1 if making algebra accessible for kids sounds good.